To create the square cells, first let's adjust the cells column. Let's select from A to G column like this, and then at the heading here, click the cells border and then adjust the size. So let's make it into 75. You can also increase or decrease the cell size. After that, let's select the row like this. Let's make it from row 1 to 15. And then select the border between the row, just one, click it, and then adjust the size. Remember, we will create it to 75 pixels to make it the same size as the column. And have a square cell size from A to G column and from row 1 to 15. And let's say you want to create the square cells for the whole cells. You can also do this easily. To do this, go to View, and then select the page layout. After that, you can see the page break like this. Then let's adjust the cell size. And click the left top here, the triangle sign here. Click it, and then at the heading column here, right click, and then select the column width. After that, let's select the size of the column. Let's type 2 cm, which means 2 centimeters. Click OK, and for the row, click the triangle button again. Right click at the row, at the here, and then click the row height. Make it the same size for the row height. Remember, the width is 2 centimeters, so the height is also 2 centimeters to make it square. Okay, now you are successfully creating the square cells. Let's make the page view to normal, and you'll see the page break appear at the I and J column. Let's remove this dash of this page break line. To remove it, go to the file and then select more options. Then go to advanced, scroll down until you find display options for this worksheet. Then uncheck the show patch bricks. So we will remove the patch bricks from the worksheet. Then OK. Now the patch bricks are removed and you are successfully creating the square cells in your worksheet. That's it. See you in the next video.